learn Turkish and learn English. I've got a treat for you. We've got all the Turkish words and phrases in that book there on Amazon, and we've also got now a new book for everybody learning English, so you can learn English as well. Good morning in Turkish. Günaydın. 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 And in English, good morning. Good morning. So my English book now, let me show you, shows you this. The English word, good morning, and how it's pronounced in English. Good morning. That column's left blank so that you can put your own words and phrases in there for quick reference. It's amazing. It's great for GCSE, going on holiday, passing exams, everybody. Turkish, click the link in the bio for that one. And English, which is on Amazon. They're all fabulous. Click the links in my bio. Catch you later.